There you go. I'm a sun sneezer.
Wait, have you ever walked out of a building on a bright, sunny day and immediately had the urge to sneeze? If you answered yes, like me, you're probably affected by an interesting genetic condition. If not, you probably have no idea what this video is about. Sun sneezing, or the photic sneeze reflex, also known as the Achoo syndrome, which is quite fitting actually. But let's just stick with this one. If you have this photic sneeze reflex, it means if you go from a dark area to an area that's more brightly lit, you'll sneeze. And as strange as that may sound, it's actually far more common than you might think. So a lot of us are affected, but how and why it happens isn't fully understood, despite the fact that humans have been pondering it for thousands of years. Stickman, you're just in time for the history crash course. We begin in 350 BC with Aristotle, who asked, why does the sun provoke sneezing? His thought was the heat from the sun causes your nose to sweat, and so you sneeze to get rid of the moisture. A few thousand years later, Sir Francis Bacon demonstrated that this just wasn't true. He closed his eyes and expected the heat of the sun to make him sneeze, but it didn't, much to Aristotle's dismay. Bacon's theory was that the light from the sun made your eyes water, and that water entered your nose and made you sneeze. He was wrong too. The reflex happens immediately, whereas your tears don't. So the sneeze happens before the tears actually come. We also know tears don't actually cause sneezing. A more modern theory suggests it involves the nerves in your head, more specifically the trigeminal nerve, which controls all the feelings in the face, including the tickly feeling in your nose, which triggers a sneeze. As the name implies, it has three branches. One, which connects the eye, the second, which connects the nose region, and the third, which connects the mouth, all to the brain. So the new theory states that when your eye sees the sudden bright light from the sun, it causes a lot of active stimulation in the optic nerve, which can pass into the nose, which your brain can interpret as irritation and make you sneeze. The reflex isn't actually considered a health concern, which explains why there isn't much research on it, although some might disagree. In the late 1980s, however, studies began revealing the hereditary nature of the reflex, meaning it can be passed from generation to the next. The reflex is autosomal dominant, which basically means only one parent needs the gene for it to be passed down. Studying this condition can help us see how our genes and sensory pathways interact, especially important for jobs like flying planes and doing surgery, where the chances of seeing a bright light is common. So, on the sunny side, while it can be frustrating, the photic sneeze reflex isn't something to get too concerned about. It's actually quite common, and it's the perfect excuse to buy yourself a new pair of shades.